What's going on, YouTubers? Going on, subscribers, gunners, everyone all around the world? Thank you for tuning in again. We're in preparation for Scarlet. Look at that. I missed that car so much. We're in preparation for O-Ren. So right now, it looks like the last motor that was inside O-Ren, the Integra, the DC2, that's what we're naming the car. The reason we picked the name of the car is I love the character from Kill Bill. You know what I mean? The suggestion of Samir won, but the car didn't really. That one I had to overrule because the car really doesn't fit, Samir's name. We'll save Samir's name for another build, but yeah, well, 40 right now is spraying like purple power under there because the last motor must have had an oil leak. It looks like either the rear main seal or the side cover, I don't know, but it had a big leak, so we're gonna clean all that up. I couldn't get some stuff on film yesterday because, like I said, once we're in a groove, we're in a groove, but the motor's all well put together. 2420 88 millimeter CSS block, drag cartel 4.5s, full bells and whistle into the cylinder head, new timing chain, new head studs, Type S K20 4-piston ported oil pump, and I just tried to put as much new stuff as I can. I'm waiting for a gasket kit for the valve cover, and that's it. So I just wanted to share some stuff with you today. So let's see what we come up with. Try to get some right here too, 40. It's dirty right here. Just don't let it sit too long on the paint though. Yep, perfect. And try to get the rack too. Sweet. So yeah, right now 40's just gonna let the purple power settle in here and just start to eat away at like the oil. I really want the bottom of this car to be nice and clean. It has a brake line tuck. It has a fuel system in it that's built. The last, I guess, previous owner made like this little, shield for it. But it looks good. All the suspension components that we need are in it. Tires are in great shape. It's going to be a fun build. Real clean car underneath too. Once we finish getting all this oil out of the way. Right, 40? Got to clean the oil?
Yeah. Give me 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So.
Yeah. What you looking at? Hey.
Watch it.
Yeah, watch it, guy. Man, look at all that oil. Look at all that dirty stuff on the bottom. See it coming down? I can see it. See that? That purple power's strong, man. Can't leave it on too long. It'll eat paint. Yeah, well, this just came in the mail. The vane stand. Excellent detail. Bolt kit. Thanks for the note, Chris. I appreciate you guys. I put this guy together here. Gonna grab O-Ren's motor and put that on the stand, so that when the clutch and everything else gets here, we're gonna end up building this motor right here with the toolbox next to it. Got to finish cleaning up the bottom of the car. Came out pretty good. Got rid of all that dirty grease and oil. Probably need to scrub here a little bit more, but it's fairly dry now. You see the difference? But we got some of that oil out of the way. But yeah, let's put this stand together together. Let's put this stand together. Man, yeah, this company's awesome, man. They treat me like gold. I've been friends with Dirty and Chris for a long time, man. Well, on IG at least. We hit it off on social media. Pause. But they've been genuine. They've been genuine since the day that I've met them, man. Solid dudes. Solid dudes. So it comes with all these wheels for you guys. I like to keep the wheels apart from each other, or maybe on one side of each other on this end. But I'd like to keep one side. I don't want them across from each other this way. So I just go like to right about here. 11/16/17 mil. Boy, it's hot in here. I just don't want to turn on that fan because it gets too loud. But today we shoot Guncast 2. We have a new sponsor, CBD Works. I've been using the CBD for going on a week. The gummies. I'm gonna start the oil next Monday. A lot of benefits to CBD. By the time this comes out, you guys should really look at the benefits of CBD. So we're going to end up saving you a lot of money ordering CBD. That's another thing with CBD also. It's super expensive. And I think that CBD is going to be in Walmart, CVS, Walgreens really soon. But, yeah. CBD. We're moving on up, man. Can you believe how far we've come? You know what I mean? Now we're expanding to things outside of racing. So, yeah, CBD Works is the next thing, and I'm excited. But yeah, I'm almost done putting the wheels. Once you put the wheels, you're done. You are completo. So 4 wheels on. Tighten this bad boy up. I could put the arms on right from the engine stand. We needed the engine stand to do the oil pump and the timing and the cylinder head. I couldn't do it on here, but that's it. It's all buttoned up. Let's go to the next clip. Dirty ass nail. Stands all together. Sorry about the wind on the fan or the sound. But yeah, the stand's all together. It comes with every single bolt you need. You are not missing nothing when you purchase this stand, man. That's it. Let's get the long block off this engine stand. I can bolt everything up while it's on here, and then we'll transfer it over to the vane stand. So yeah, now just put the arms on. I like to put the arms on loose. I really do like doing that. So A goes under the starter. So that is going to go right about here, I believe. Yep. So that comes with the hardware that we need, and that's going to be a 17 mil. I don't know. I think I'm going to have to take off this alternator setup because it has to bolt up to here. But I don't know yet. Maybe I can try it with one. Yeah, maybe I can try it. Oh, I'm sorry. I put A backwards. Perfect. Yeah. So A would go there. B would go here, but I'm not going to take that apart. I'm going to try to see if I can sneak it with three arms. See what happens. Doesn't hurt to try. So A is this way, and then now we have D that goes right here, and they also give you the 14 that you need. So there it is. This is D. This is, man, I hope the 3 arms works. I think it is. I think it's going to be stable enough. And then last but not least is C. That's also a 14. They give it to you right here. So letters facing out, and that goes right here. Alright, so I like to leave these loose until I actually get them down onto the stand, and then I just tighten them up just a little bit, not too much. I don't overdo it. And then, yeah, let's get ready. I gotta call 40 and maybe Mexico to come help me put it on here. Okay. I got it.
Thank you.
Yeah, I think that clip failed miserably. But we got it on. I just had to tighten up and put that one basically pin slash 10 millimeter through there. But it's working great. It's real sturdy with just 3 arms. So I didn't put this one on because the alternator's in the way. But it's perfectly fine. It's straight to where I want to have it. And then I will finish building this motor right here. Put the clutch on, intake manifold, put the header on, and then just drop the car right onto the stand. I'm really winded. That was no joke. It is hot in here too. But yeah, keep enjoying the vlog. So I went ahead and just pushed the stand under just to see how well this stand is going to actually work, because they do sell different ones. So I already made like a video on IG. Probably somebody's seen it already, but whatever. But yeah, I just pushed this line back right here. Bear with me. Oh my god, this tripod is falling apart. But yeah, I pushed it within the vicinity. The stand, even with the missing leg, since I tightened up the other side of the bolts, all 3 bolts, it fits perfectly. So I just bring down the lift here a little bit. Alright, let me get this zoom right while I bring down the lift. Okay, that should look good. You guys ready? Check this out. Oh, didn't unlock the lift. What a fail. That might go on the blooper. On the keep going bloopers. What a fail. Alright. Okay. Let's try this one more time. Let's get the zoom right. That was an awesome fail. That was great, Mr. Know-It-All. Check you out. Alright, so just drop that guy down there. Money, right? So I would just move this motor over, back right here, with one hand, and I would start threading this in. And that's it. Main stand, man. It works great. So I'll take this out. I'm done horsing around, and I'm gonna start stripping this interior because I got a carpet coming from Texas, Type R floor mats coming from Texas. I got the back seats here from a gunner. I apologize, I forget your name. Thank you so much for that, man. This guy gave me these Type R rear seats for free. I didn't even have to pay for shipping, and I begged them to at least pay for shipping. But thank you so much to everybody a part of this movement, man. I love you guys, man. So let's move on to the next clip. Yeah, me and 40. We'll start stripping off this this carpet here. Took off all the center stuff. Get that 10 mil right there. Get these off these on the side. Take off the seat belts here. Loosen this one up. That's that. Other side. Yeah, we'll get this carpet out. We'll get this carpet out. We're getting a crispy one from Texas, so it's gonna be fun. Take this off.
Oh.
You can't see that one. Okay, so move that off. All right, put all the plastics in the back. All right, 40. It's ready to come out now.
Now?
Yeah, now it's ready. Yep. Hold on. 1 second. 1 second. This guy. here. Okay, let's get this shit out of here. This thing's disgusting.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it. All right, that's out. This thing's all beat up. Color's way off. Looks like somebody tried to clean it before with like, I don't know, like a detergent of like that had Clorox in it, but it faded. And there's all this dyno matting. I'm not gonna remove that. That's way too much work. So I'll leave that for the next gunner that ends up winning it. But yeah, we're gunning. Me and my boy gunning.
What?
I say you gunning. You gunning. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this this vlog now, this video, whatever you want to call it. Just giving you a quick update on what we're doing with O-Ren. Tomorrow we tune the AK-47. I'll make sure to get you guys some coverage. Yeah. So we're heading into Sunday. We're gonna go race at IFO. It's gonna be exciting. This is like actually the first event I'm going to. Every other one got rained out. So I'm excited to see my friends, to meet new gunners, to meet old gunners, and just get out into the racing atmosphere. Thank you for all your support. Let me know how you think O-Ren's gonna come out. We're doing as much as we can with what we have. So like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate all of you as always. Yeah, share some comments, share the channel, give me some feedback. How are we doing here? That's it. Vane Engine Stand coupon ends this month. AK-15. That's all I could tell you, man. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed the vlog, and keep gunning, man. Enjoy.